Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation that helps you send out love and healing to suffering people and communities. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And these guided meditations are an offering to help you use crystal healing in your everyday life. And there are days and there are time periods in which we can feel completely overwhelmed by the suffering and tragedy and injustice that's going on in the world right now. And, we hear about it from friends, we experience it personally, we read about it in the news or when we're going down our Facebook feed. And sometimes there is something that we can do to help, and we can donate time or money or supplies. We can educate ourselves. We can educate others. We can speak out in support. We can sign petitions. There's a lot of things that we can do to help out global situations. But sometimes it gets so overwhelming. Multiple things going on at once, and even when we do something, we can still feel overwhelmed by the magnitude of it and feel helpless to help people, to help the world. And this is a meditation that can help you when you're feeling overwhelmed. And it will help you not only dissolve and release yourself from that feeling of being overwhelmed, but also help you send out love and healing to those communities, whether they're local communities, whether they're your friends, or whether they're across the globe. This meditation will help you lift and heal the energy of the world. And there are many different gemstones that you can use in this guided meditation today, but you don't need any gemstones to do this meditation. This meditation will work. It will be amplified by use of a gemstone, but you don't have to have one. And so some of the gemstones that are specifically helpful to this situation are Moldavite. This is the stone of universal compassion and helps us send healing and love out to the world. Clear quartz is a healing stone and helps us send distance healing. Green Aventurine is a stone that not only improves healing and heart healing, but also love. It's a heart chakra stone. And rose quartz is the stone of unconditional love and helps us to send love. And really, if you don't have any of those gemstones, any pink or green or clear gemstone will help you in sending out healing and love to the world. So the only other thing that you need besides a gemstone is then a comfortable seat. So this could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or outside in nature, sitting directly on the ground. So if you have your gemstone and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to how it feels to breathe right now. How does it feel to take in air and let it out? And bring your attention to those parts on your body that are in contact with your chair or the ground beneath you, or the floor. It's very important in this meditation to remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, right over its center, that you are supported by the entire mass of the earth, and you have direct access to all of the energy of the earth, and it will support you and protect you and hold you during this meditation today. So whatever gemstone you have chosen for your meditation today, and you can pick that up and put that in your dominant hand. Because this is the hand that will send out energy into the world. And hold that stone. And take a minute to just sit with this gemstone. And connect with its energy. And then imagine a bright, beautiful flower blooming at your heart center. Any flower that you feel most connected with. And it is shining, and it is made of bright white light. And with every breath you take, it gets larger and brighter. Until it encompasses the whole of your chest area. This energy is full of healing and love. And sit with this healing and love. Sit with this for a minute. And imagine a person, a family, a community or a city, a country that is suffering, that has been on your mind or been in your heart recently. Bring them to your mind. And as you're picturing them in your mind, then allow this loving, healing energy from your heart center to drift out to this person or this family or community. In whatever way that's comfortable. Maybe you're sending out sparkly energy or pink, loving energy. And that's going out from this gemstone, from your heart, to this community. And this energy will help them feel loved and supported and strengthen their healing process. And continue to let that energy flow out. And this gift of energy does not deplete your own energy. Because with every breath you take, you are receiving more healing energy from the earth. You're drawing it from the earth. You're sending it out to the world. You are the conduit for healing energy out to this person or family or city. You are helping to strengthen their energy, to strengthen their heart, to relieve them of grief, to reduce their pain and suffering. Imagine them encased in this energy. As they will take it with them, even after this meditation is complete. And then send your blessings out to this community or person or family, and then come back to your breathing. Allowing the flower at your heart to dissolve. And just coming back to your own body and your own breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. for this meditation to help send healing and love out to the world. And whenever you find yourself feeling like you want to do something to help, or you're feeling overwhelmed by so much that's going on in the world, then find some minutes to sit and replay this meditation and send out that healing energy to the world. This meditation is not very long because it's designed to help you just find a few minutes to send out some love. And know that that love and healing that you're sending out benefits them exponentially. And it will continue to help them long after the meditation is complete. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new to the channel, then I post about a new gemstone every single week. So I talk about specific gemstones. I have guided meditations with those gemstones. And then I also post these guided meditations to help you with specific life situations. So if you're interested in incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.